Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Chase business card to the Chase mobile app. It is super easy and I'm going to show you how to do it. So first, open the Chase mobile app on your phone and sign into the account where you want to link your business card. So once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Select Manage Link Accounts and tap on the Show My Accounts. And here, you'll see a list of all your Chase accounts, including your business account if it's already associated with your info. So to link the card, tap on the Link Relationship button next to the card you want to add. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the linking process. You may be asked to provide a few extra details like your social security number and your business card account number, just to verify ownership. Once that's done, you're all set. Your business card will now show up in your Chase app, and you'll be able to see all your account info and transactions in one place. Thanks for watching.